Every time you visit a website, dozens of behind-the-scenes processes work together to turn that URL into a fully loaded page. In this episode, we break down what actually happens, step by step, from keystroke to rendered content. This is Sequenxa Insights. Understanding this process isn't just technical trivia. It's critical for diagnosing slow page loads, understanding security mechanisms like DNSSEC and HTTPS, and optimizing infrastructure from browser to backend. It all starts when you hit enter. The browser parses the URL to identify the protocol, hostname, and path. Checks the cache to see if it already knows the IP address. If not, it sends a DNS query to resolve the domain to an IP. This DNS lookup may involve contacting multiple servers, root, TLD, and authoritative before returning an IP. Once the IP is known, the browser opens a TCP connection to the server, typically on port 80 or 443. If the site uses HTTPS, it performs a TLS handshake. This handshake includes certificate validation, key exchange, and encryption setup. This ensures data sent between the browser and server remains secure and private. Next, the browser sends an HTTP request to the server. It includes headers like user agent, cookies, and cache preferences. The server processes the request and prepares a response. The server might respond with HTML or redirect the browser to another endpoint. Once the browser receives the response, it parses the HTML, fetches link resources like CSS, JavaScript, and images, builds the document object model, DOM, executes scripts and applies styles. Only then does the visual content appear on your screen. Sequenxa helps security and engineering teams gain full visibility into this life cycle. From monitoring DNS resolution delays to analyzing TLS handshake times and page render bottlenecks, our platform surfaces where performance and security intersect. Whether you're debugging a slow load or tracing attack vectors, understanding this flow is foundational. To recap, typing a URL initiates parsing and DNS resolution. A secure TCP connection is established via TLS. An HTTP request is sent and a response is returned. The browser renders the page using the response content. A single click triggers a complex chain of events, and each step is a point of performance tuning and potential risk. That concludes this episode of Sequenxa Insights. Subscribe for deeper breakdowns into the core mechanics of the internet, application performance, and cybersecurity.